Patria NEMO. The Patria NEMO is a compact, remote-controlled 120mm mortar system that is a game-changer in modern warfare and crisis management. It not only provides indirect fire support, but also has a direct fire capability for self-defense. The system is capable of firing multiple rounds simultaneous impact fire missions, where up to 6 grenades hit the target simultaneously. The turret and armored chassis protect the crew against various threats, ensuring their safety. The NEMO system is versatile and can be easily installed on light, tracked chassis, or wheeled armored vehicles in the 6x6 and 8x8 class, and even on Navy vessels. Being a part of Patria's range of products, which includes the world's most modern diver propulsion vehicles, the Patria NEMO is a crucial tool in protecting the sea lines of communication, setting new standards for mortar mobility, protection, and firepower both on land and at sea. Black Hornet 4. The Black Hornet 4, developed by FLIR Systems, is a nano-unmanned aerial vehicle designed to provide situational awareness and enhance the effectiveness of soldiers. It incorporates a high-resolution thermal imager, TI, and an electro-optical camera with exceptional low-light capabilities. The Black Hornet 4 offers an extended range and heightened resilience, with flight performance augmented by new obstacle avoidance capabilities and an advanced battery. Weighing only 70 grams, it has a flying time of over 30 minutes and can fly in 25-knot winds. It's less than a foot long and can reach a range of more than 2 kilometers. Designed for missions in GPS-denied environments, it can rapidly identify targets beyond visual line of sight and assess weapon effects in real time. The Black Hornet 4 is essential for reconnaissance, immediate ISR, covert operations, and force protection missions. Hunter 2S. The Hunter 2S, Alcone, develops AI-powered swarming drones. Drones have become an integral part of the operations of many advanced armies in the world. Reliance on drones has been increasing lately after their remarkable success in performing qualitative tasks that contributed to achieving rapid progress and victory over the enemy in many armed conflicts all over the world. The extensive development of drones used in the military field, which are no longer the purview of superpowers, led to diversifying their uses and strengthening their combat capabilities by relying on the latest technologies and advanced artificial intelligence systems. Alcone, which is a subsidiary of the Emirati Edge Group, one of the top 25 defense contractors in the world, has recently launched the Hunter 2S swarming drone, which are expected to greatly affect battlefields in the future, by providing the armies with advanced tactical advantages across a series of combat scenarios and various tasks. The Saab Barracuda ULCAS FSS, an extraordinary innovation in military camouflage technology. Developed by Saab Barracuda, this system offers unparalleled protection and concealment for military forces on the battlefield. The ULCAS FSS utilizes advanced modular camouflage screens that can be swiftly deployed and adjusted to match various terrains and operational requirements. These screens not only provide visual concealment but also reduce thermal and radar signatures, making it significantly harder for enemy forces and sensors to detect and target military assets. With features like infrared and thermal radiation suppression and compatibility with different vehicle platforms, the ULCAS FSS ensures that military units can effectively blend into their surroundings and enhance their survivability in diverse combat scenarios. Rafael Spike Firefly. The Rafael Spike Firefly is a cutting-edge, miniature tactical loitering weapon designed specifically for light maneuvering ground forces such as infantry, marines, or special forces. Weighing only 3 kilograms, the Firefly is part of the Spike family of precision-guided missiles and can be rapidly deployed. It's designed for urban combat where situation awareness is limited, the enemy is behind cover, and precision is critical. The Firefly essentially eliminates the value of cover and reduces the necessity of long drawn-out firefights. It features a dual seeker, target tracker, homing algorithms, computer vision, safe and armed fusing mechanisms, and a human-machine interface, HMI. These features make the Firefly a game-changer in urban combat scenarios. Thunder B-VTOL. The Thunder B-VTOL, the future of aerial mobility and transportation. Developed by cutting-edge aerospace engineers, this vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft combines the efficiency of fixed-wing flight with the versatility of rotorcraft technology. With its innovative design, the Thunder B-VTOL can seamlessly transition between hovering and forward flight, enabling it to navigate urban environments and reach remote locations with ease. Whether it's providing rapid transportation for emergency responders, delivering goods to inaccessible areas, or offering commuters a faster and more efficient way to travel, the Thunder B-VTOL is poised to revolutionize the way we move. Join us as we soar into the skies with the Thunder B-VTOL and witness the dawn of a new era in aerial transportation. The Naval Spike NLOS 6th-generation missile is a game-changer in modern warfare. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, this precision-guided EO missile is part of the globally deployed Spike ATGM family. It delivers groundbreaking capabilities, rapidly closing the sensor-to-shooter loop and neutralizing multiple targets at standoff ranges. The system can launch and control salvos of up to 4 missiles simultaneously from a single launcher. It also allows for target acquisition by transferring aerial images of the target to the Spike NLOS system and matching them with the missile's video images during flight. With its range and non-line-of-sight capabilities extended up to 50 kilometers from a helicopter and 32 kilometers from the ground, the Naval Spike NLOS 6th-generation missile is a formidable tool in modern warfare. Boeing has made a significant stride in autonomous submarine technology by delivering the first Orca, extra-large unmanned undersea vehicle, to the U.S. Navy. This autonomous submarine is capable of performing long-duration critical missions, achieving undersea maritime dominance in changing environments and contested waters. The delivery of the Orca extra-large unmanned underwater vehicle came after the vehicle passed its acceptance tests, marking a milestone in more than a decade of pioneering work in developing a long-range, fully autonomous undersea vehicle with a large payload capacity. The Orca can operate completely independently of a host vehicle. With the Navy's partnership, Orca has undergone several phases of at-sea testing, including above and below surface maneuvers to demonstrate the vehicle's unique capabilities. This is a testament to the rapid progress being made in drone technology. The Sirius Compact, developed by Saab, is a modular and scalable passive electronic warfare sensor network that enhances situational awareness through silent detection, classification, and prioritization of radar and data link emissions. This lightweight sensor can be rapidly deployed and connected in a network to support tactical operations. Its autonomous operation enables the assimilation and compilation of intelligence information without storing sensitive data in the sensor. The Sirius Compact can be mounted on a multitude of platforms including drones, vehicles, vessels, masts, or even deployed from troop manpacks. It features high-precision direction finding and geolocation, and it can be integrated with third-party command and control systems. The sensor can be deployed within minutes, making it a valuable asset for quick response operations. The Sirius Compact is part of the Sirius family of innovative and networked passive sensor systems that provide a complete synergistic capability for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. It's used by armed forces and intelligence services around the world. The Skyguard air defense system in Austria is a cutting-edge system developed by Rheinmetall. The Austrian Defense Ministry has contracted with Rheinmetall to carry out a comprehensive modernization of its existing Skyguard air defense systems. The Skyguard next generation system is based on existing weapons systems owned by the Austrian Army. As part of a service life extension program, its existing 35mm Oerlikon twin guns will be completely modernized and linked to a high-performance target tracking capability and Rheinmetall Skymaster command system. The order package for Austria comprises a total of 7 tactical units, each consisting of 4 35mm guns, a sensor unit for monitoring airspace, and a command post. This is a significant advancement in air defense technology and a testament to the rapid progress being made in this field. The Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier jet suit flight is an exhilarating demonstration of human flight innovation by Gravity Industries. The founder and chief test pilot, Richard Browning, along with Alex Wilson, took flight from the Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier in New York Harbor for the Royal Navy and Atlantic Future Forum. They were equipped with the latest tactical suits and helmet-steered weapon mounts. The jet suit uses over 1,000 brake horsepower of jet engine power combined with natural human balance to deliver an intense spectacle, often likened to a real-life Iron Man. This event was a fantastic showcase of Gravity Industries' commitment to pushing the boundaries of human aviation and inspiring a generation to dare to ask what if. The Stinger, developed by Plasan, is a 4x4 light tactical vehicle designed for various mission profiles including urban warfare, law enforcement, peacekeeping operations, homeland security, military, and border patrol. Based on the reliable and globally recognized high-mobility multipurpose wheeled vehicle, the Stinger offers the comfort of a standard high-mobility multipurpose wheeled vehicle with an armored cabin that utilizes the original dashboard components. It features a unique frontal weapon system, ballistic protection up to STANAG 4569 Level 4, and can be designed to match the customer's requirements for mine protection. The Stinger also incorporates Plasan's kit-hull modular armor technology and can be optionally manned. This vehicle is designed for extreme maneuverability in both off-road and urban environments, making it a versatile and robust solution for various military and security operations. The Patria MUSCL is a cutting-edge passive radar system designed for air surveillance. Resilient, covert, and easily deployable, it provides affordable area and point surveillance for a variety of applications, including military air surveillance, drone detection, counter-artillery sensor, border control, and critical infrastructure protection. The system employs passive coherent location technology to detect, locate, and track targets, exploiting external broadcasting signals as illuminators of opportunity and detecting signals scattered from targets. The Patria MUSCL does not produce a signal footprint, making it practically invisible to adversaries' signal intelligence and anti-radiation missiles, enabling safe deployments and use in urban areas. It provides 360-degree surveillance coverage for ranges up to hundreds of kilometers and is capable of 24-hour unattended remote operations. Hypersonic Scramjet propulsion technology simulation is a cutting-edge process that involves detailed computational fluid dynamics simulations. These simulations are crucial in studying the shock pattern and interactions in model scramjet intakes and realistic geometries. Organizations like NASA and Northrop Grumman are leading the way in this technology. For instance, NASA's HyperX program made aviation history with the first successful flights of a scramjet-powered airplane at hypersonic speeds. Northrop Grumman is also accelerating to hypersonic speeds using the scramjet engine, flying a trajectory to intentionally stress the weapon concept to explore its limits and validate digital performance models. As hypersonic vehicles are highly integrated, a multi-fidelity simulation method is developed to reduce simulation time for such vehicles and their propulsion systems. These simulations and real-world tests are advancing hypersonic scramjet propulsion technology. Seacraft Military Navigation System. The Seacraft ENC-3MIL is a compact and intuitive military navigation system that offers a modular design for versatile use. Whether assembled on the propulsion system or handheld, it provides an easy-to-use interface for route planning. This system is part of Seacraft's range of products, which includes the world's most modern diver propulsion vehicles known for their silence, power, and reliability. The ENC-3MIL navigation system can be easily configured to become an exploration vehicle with extra brackets, light mounts, and other items. It offers a complete set of military navigation solutions for Seacraft scooters. With its numerous mounting and usage options, it serves as a basic navigation console, standalone, displaying current heading, depth, and time, making it a formidable tool in modern warfare. The Arion Smet, developed by Hanwha Defense, is a state-of-the-art unmanned ground vehicle designed to support infantry operations. This 2-ton, 6x6 unmanned ground vehicle evolved from a 4x4 multipurpose unmanned ground vehicle and is equipped with key technologies including autonomous off-road navigation, devices for tethering to follow a soldier or vehicle, autonomous homing for communication failure, and software for supporting manned-unmanned teaming operations. It also features a deep neural network-based remote-controlled weapon station which can detect and track enemy soldiers, localize the source of gunfire, and fire back in the direction of the gunfire. The Arion Smet has been selected for the foreign comparative testing operated by the Office of the Secretary of Defense under the U.S. Department of Defense, marking the first time that a South Korean unmanned weapon system has been chosen for performance tests in the United States.